Then let the loons beware, sir. There's wood and walls upon our seas, and volunteers on shore, sir. The nets shall run to Corsican, and gravel silk in Solway, ere we permit a foreign foe on British ground to rally. The wretch that would a tyrant own, and the wretch his true brother, who'd set them all above the throne, may they be damned together. Who will not sing, God save the King, shall hang as high the steeple. But while we sing, God save the King, we'll never forget the people.